How to change phone number on Amazon delivery. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your phone number on Amazon delivery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your phone number on Amazon delivery, all you have to do is open up Amazon, because let's say you already placed an order and now you want to still change the phone number because you entered the wrong phone number. You don't want to cancel the order, you can't cancel the order, but can you change the phone number? Well, yes, you can. So you can go to amazon.com or the mobile, just come to your profile like I can here, go to your orders, go to the order details of the order that you would like to, let's say, edit. Then just click on the edit option or the change details option. Then you'll be able to change all the details, including your delivery address and also including your phone number. This way you can change phone number in Amazon delivery. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.